Welcome to our quick tutorial on how easy it is to install our turf yourself. We'll be discussing what equipment you'll need before you get started, along with a few handy tips on making your turf the envy of the neighbourhood. There's a lot that goes into making our synthetic turf look good and last ages. And it starts by sourcing the best raw materials from around the world to produce an Australian-made product designed for our conditions. At Urban Turf Solutions, it's in our name to help you find the best surface option. Here are just a few examples of how we transformed areas around Australia. And remember, if it's got the Australian-made logo on our turf, that means it also comes with a 7-year warranty. By following these 8 simple steps, you'll see how easy it is to install your own UTS turf without any professional help. To make sure you're all ready to go, make sure you have all these tools and equipment handy. So, let's get started. Preparation is everything, and you shouldn't lay your grass without properly preparing your surface. All this means is removing the top layer of soil and grass. Once the top layers are gone, place the road base into the excavated area. And be sure to leave enough room for the crushed dust. Ideally, that will be about 20 millimetres. Now you have prepared the base, let's compact it. Easiest way to do this is with a heavy roller or a plate compactor. You're aiming to create an even finish. This will eliminate all movement throughout the base. For a professional finish, the crushed dust should sit 15 millimetres under the existing surface. Laying the turf. It's best to unroll your grass in the direction that you want to install it. Then, with a sharp knife, make sure you trim off the salvaged edge, the extra bit of turf that hangs over the edge, making sure you allow for ample coverage on all sides. Now that your turf is out, let's start joining the sheets together. It's important to be accurate here and avoid gaps. Line up your sheets and make sure you are happy with how it all looks, remembering to check for gaps. Fold back the grass and insert the joining tape with the sticky side up. You can hold the sheets in place with turf pegs to make sure you are being accurate. Peel off the backing tape to expose the adhesive, and once you are happy, you can fold the first sheet down, making sure not to move the grass and create gaps. After this, you can repeat on the other side. You are about to cut your new grass for the first and last time. With a sharp knife, trim the excess turf from the edges. You might find it easier from the back side. When securing the turf, you'll want to spread the pegs 50 centimetres apart and only kiss the surface. This will avoid scalloping the grass. Don't worry about how the pegs look, they will be covered by the sand. And lastly, all that is left is to sand your turf. Sanding your turf is important because it keeps the grass blades standing up and gives a more realistic feel underfoot. It also creates weight in the grass, meaning it's not going to move around under you. Congratulations, you're done. All that's left to do is to kick back and enjoy your new UTS grass. We want to help you in every step of the journey, so we've also answered some common questions to help you make an informed decision when buying from us. How do I maintain synthetic grass? Regular brushing or grooming will help maintain the yarn in an upright position. This will create lush feel and appearance. We recommend to use a stiff broom for small areas or power broom on larger areas. What type of cleaning products can you use for synthetic grass? Do not use chlorine-based bleaches on your surface, as this will cause discoloration. You can use our Turf Action cleaning product, designed specifically for maintenance of synthetic grass. Do I really need to install sand? Yes. The sand helps to keep the grass nice and straight, adds weight and prevents grass from movement, and helps to keep the grass cool. Is synthetic grass pet-friendly, and how can I keep it clean? Yes, it is pet-friendly. Keeping it clean is very easy. Simply hose it off and apply Turf Action, kid and pet-friendly product which eliminates unpleasant odours. What makes your product better than others available on the market? UTS grasses are manufactured in Australia and are designed to withstand the Australian climate. From the team at UTS, thank you for your time and good luck with your installation. To get in contact with us or to ask any question, please don't hesitate to give us a call.